Hi, friends. Come draw with Miss Val. I thought today we could draw a duck. A duck starts with a round head. Start with a round head. All right. It's most of a circle. If we finished it right here, we're going to leave it almost done. Next, we need an oval body. And do a big oval. We're going to make a little point on the end for the duck's tail. I'm going to make little feathers on the end of and a couple on the top of the head too, just for fun. Next, we're going to draw a beak on our duck. That's a triangle with another smaller triangle on the back. Now we're going to take this line to this line to finish our beak. Going to need a little bit of an eraser to get rid of the lines in the middle. That's what erasers are for. All right, there's the beak on our duck. Give him a little nose hole for breathing. All right. To a circle with another circle inside. Eyelashes. Now we need a wing. A wing is another oval with a point. And this duck could be on some water. We'll draw dotted lines to make kind of a circle around our duck. Let's color it in. Let's see. Let's do an orange beak on our duck. Orange beak. Take some black. Put our lines back in. Kind of got scribbled out. There we go. We'll do the black on the inside of the eye too while we've got our black out. There we go. Next, we're going to need some yellow for our duck. Let's color in our duck. Let's trace our lines. Little feathers. Head. That oval body with a point at the end for a tail. Shade it in. Go. And we can trace a couple of our lines. They don't run away. There we go. Here's our duck. Put some lines on the water around our duck. My duck is floating on the water. It's usually where you see ducks is on a pond, right? And we'll do a lighter blue. Thin our lines with water. Good. All right. There's one duck on the pond. Like and subscribe for more drawing fun, and join me next time for more drawings together.